Hi viewers, it's Shahid again. Today I want to share with you guys a traditional sweet taken in Bangladesh. It's called Sooji Halwa. It's a kind of sweet made with Sooji powder. You can try this as a supplement of donut or muffin, which will give you a different taste of sweetness. In this video I will show you step-by-step procedure how you can make it and what ingredients you need to make this amazing food. So let's go for it, and I will show you right now in this video. Hello viewers, so as you see, this is my kitchen, and right now I'm going to cook the Sooji Halwa that is made from Sooji, and this is the main ingredient for this Sooji Halwa. This is a Sooji powder packet. I bought it from a regular grocery store. Butter, it's a regular butter. We need some sugar, and next we need some nuts. Any kind of nut you can use. If it is a full nut, you have to crush it. Other than that, you can buy a crushed nut. And finally you need some raisin, and I just put some water in it to make it soft. And finally we need some cardamom. It's a full one. Now I want to crush it a little bit. You can crush it this way, or have different way to crush it. I'm just trying. At this point we need some hot water. So before that I will fire up the stove in high temperature, as you see, and we'll wait for the stove to get heated up. Then I will try to put some hot water. So I already heated some water. As you see here, I have some water ready for cooking. Now just keep in mind that you need the water should be 3 times of your total Sooji. So I have taken 1000 milliliter, and I will take 3 bowls of Sooji. As you see, these are empty bowls. I will take 3 bowls of Sooji. So basically for these 3 bowls, this much water will be enough. My pan is ready. It's totally heat now. As I told you, I will put 3 bowls of Sooji in it. This is number 1. This much is enough. We need to fry it up properly. This is very important if you want to make your Sooji so crispy and not melting and oily. You need to fry it up properly. Continuously stir this Sooji. Other than that, one portion of it will burn out and will not give you a good taste. So you have to continuously stir it. The main purpose of heating up this Sooji is to take out the moisture, because if there is any moisture left inside it will just make some trouble to get the ultimate texture of it. So we'll just try to take out the moisture, and you see its color is little bit changing, so we are almost done. Here we have to pour it here and make this pan empty. We need to fire up the stove again at high temperature, and we'll add our water here. My water is ready, it's heated up properly, and I just need to add sugar according to the taste. So the standard is you can add it's a big tablespoon. You can add at least 5 tablespoons of sugar to give it a standard taste, but definitely you can add more, or if you are diabetic, if you have problem with sugar, you can add a little bit less, but if you add 5, then it will be perfect. By the way, this is step number 2. Step number 1, we just fried the suji, and in step number 2 we are just we're heating up the water and adding sugar in it, and that's it. After this is done, we'll put this water on the side and we'll start our step number 3. Now I'm gonna turn it off and take the water. Beginning of third step, we'll add the butter first in the pan. And add lemon and also add the nuts. And I have to cook it until the cardamoms and the nuts mix together with the butter. And it will take around 3 minutes to cook. I'll add all the sujis inside this bowl. Starting from this point, you have to continuously stir it. You cannot stop stirring it because it will stuck together. As much as you stir it, it will be perfect. You will get a perfect result at the end. Taste it. So we are in the middle of the third step, and within a minute we are going to add the hot water or the This is the syrup that we made already, so I'm adding this syrup inside here. We just need to cook it well. And if you want, at this point, you can taste it a little bit. So nice. And close the lid and wait for around 2-3 minutes. Do our final stirring. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, it's ready, almost ready. Now I will bring this whole thing and put a portion of it in a plate, and you have to flat it up, make it ready for serving. And let's try how it tastes. So now, as I said to you before, it's hard and you can take it out easily out of the plate. So this is in serving condition right now. Let's try it. Very, very tasty. I like it so much. It's, for me, better than any donut or muffin. It's because totally homemade. I think I'm gonna finish the whole thing today in this setting. That's all, guys. If you like it, you can try it at home and make this for you and your family. As today is Family Day, I just tried to cook something for my family and we'll eat together right now. And after you make it, if you like it and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you want my next videos to give you some notification, please try to click the bell icon. So for now,